omonde ne ba ashime se mo aye flop show ashime se mu show na mo ye ni petit bi ani ase akai ampo ashime se mu ko na ni petit be name one prominent person who was there. Nobody. Akai picnic na mo ye na ashime. Hey, mo boa asia mo go lumbe ye die mo ye mo apre no mo de bebrebe nyinara bebre me pressure.
Aha Ghana Info TV so ensema etwagu ewa performance so ene yankase mamu Ghana ha ho nsemo bi ena yede eba beda mo na ensem no eya na ebi esa trende ewo ya be fontintanes mitwe social media no eso a eya na bebre na etu efra sanse omu hwehwem enhu no kre no ba Ghana Info de ye nya hwehwa na ye de mu no kre no e de aba beda mo ene video bi esecurity pa ye ntimi fa bi nkame ya dofo kra ye nkwa nyengo hwe bi ba ne ba ye de adwen chaba beto comment section hono.
I don't know me afin my bedroom. Many of the common Americans may call. She on your brabona for more, I think my babra, my bre. I think my babedry and Neja make a canny my boss Neja may be and say, hey, Yesu Christo. Melama for science. Melama for science. Ya maso mungo to Abusuapanin. Mela was there. Me na make us me show video no. Na for since so. Na mo ya celebration we no one mo di ni di lumba there. And then the omo to ashada. Ya poku was there. Ya poku. Onu nkwane kwase a odi mechi so munko jana ni entu Abusuapanin. Na omo adwini ma yo so omo to Abusuapanin. Ni emfa ne say ya to Abusuapanin kura na ya poku ya emfa na anya Abusuapanin. The woman saw that he is so stupid that he had ni Abusuapanin kura ni. No ni na wana aga the man. No sugar. Baby, do you hold you when you will fire home? Do you hold you when you will come in a bomb or 17? Celebration of 17 people. And I am na campo na wo sheto go jeans no ne na mo mama mi hu campo na talking bonin pabo ase no okowa na wanko campo na talking bonin pabo ase no na woni na ma na no because campo kolumba ye won't me ma as simple as ABC. Sikadina ne pabo ase talking no ni on. My papa she now was still observing Sabbath no. Sabbath needing your own. Papa she I better no land now codino no. Dear Monkanjano, Papa she I better Isa Yereno. Min fani dinka. I better Isa Yereno. Akodino na obaware for akodina wuja akoyo nsogu ni dem no ma me so oside no de aka no de besesa papa she say me da wonti mi nko ne ma me ayi but obetimi akọ celebration of contempt adena mutual hopeless adoye was there na somebody say hopeless there ono comedy no baby obenya jollof edi bi obeko where's where more? Hopeless, they are no comedy no. A comedy no. Oh no, baby, I had charge all of for you. Maybe that soon, maybe they almost 6 hours. I could drive and wed Janny. I'm a mikuni. Maybe that soon, maybe 6 hours. akɔgye adwene ne de keke ka wo bebo mi kunu nkwan ne yere na modi nsekuro aha to no baby obenya aduane adi bia no o baby aduane wo bia hopsin ho yeah can you petite akọ baby as hopeless Monifa
My queen.
I don't know the war background this article.
My queen, me wo Juma Muntia.
I said the way the empty mamma.
And my queen, come on, Miss Na. As a busumi out in our two way. Obi also de me kwakwa so nam for comment session. No mudi matema, no di matemubi.
Wajin we are for a funny. Abodemu three system.
Daughters of Gloria Jesus. Almost an age na ye na no. My queen.
Abodemu three steps no. Boy.
Abodemu daughters of Gloria Jesus. No almost na ye na sibi.
Womu kokope, hopsin yo kope aduane obedi o. Ekom. The agenda was jollof. Now Ferris on Becca's obedi dear. Said I'm a bon side 200. Papa Penisa would see a very free tema. A very free tema. Kwaje microphone. Sawa bon side 200. Ah. Asame cry me she mama church. Mama fa won bufo church of 500. Me pen kwase asem. The hopes here na me she. And there was me ma Mary send 500 come chicken. It's as simple as I was. Me she was asem. And was asem. Asantua. Contact. Was asem. Papa penina free. Shat hadie. Semi bonsa 200. Hey, go by you. Emeshi keke. Emeshi. Mary.
Hi.
Not 200. Mary, I want to say.
Hi.
My son no number be check one. Friend, ni di ewo momo so na send no 500 mame. Na send 2,000 come back kwesi mame.
Okay.
Why? I was say me say a mother sika bosumi. Me send no mother sika bosumi. Into send no 2,000 some mother dia. Net a number nam dia send no. Check one. Friend bus and send the dear one momo so you say. Let's send in the 500.
Okay.
Why?
Thank you very much.
Catch up and I send my miss watching.
Okay.
Now one can't tell homeless at the yes. Ni 200 near one coffin idea. One coffin and quadrant idea and I've been penguin. The 200 no coffin idea. One quadrant idea. Uncle. Hey, boy, have you? Mo yebi. And the way na. Hey. Yaka na dia da don kwa ma me ra ho. Chairman na papa we dear Hobson. Oh, kai chairman. Onipa wa wontimi hwe ne ba onipa chairman Hobson ni baby mama ni police ni wotimi ko police for mpanifo say ye ni the baby mama edi na common de ne ba na won man iska no nipa wo court e ba ye bisa ne say no de be man ne ba na chairman kwasia we awogina we e ko gina court so obenya 100 Ghana oba bia so oni baba ma oni baba ma ba akopɛ wo de akola no to ne ho ntimi hwe no chairman kwasia mpani we de oh kai emema mu nyina ansesa emema mu nyina bi mu bi mi wu nipa wagimi ti sene da chairman America habiti Hobson betna ha Emma will be the krata man so on fanko yaduma kwasia we timi the krata no ko bank so ko jilo we chairman wonye nipa forget papa forget it na nipa mu nyina bi mu kwasia nto na wonim nyansa nko no onu anu to NPP 4 you see na sa aboa ejadisifo chairman forget it eko ya timi dey me expect chairman na papa we dey Hobson oh kai chairman onipa wa wontimi hwe ne ba onipa chairman Hobson ni baby mama ni police ni wotimi ko police for mpanifo say ye ni the baby mama edi na common de ne ba ashime say mo aye flop show ashime say mo show na mo ye ni petitru bi ani ase akai ampo ashime say mukona ni petitru by name one prominent person who was there nobody akai picnic na mo ye na ashime hey moboa asia mo go lumba yie die mo ye mo apre nu mo de bebrebe nyinara bebre meme pressure ana ye beche me contempt meme pressure na ye beche me contempt mo apre say mo apre bebrebe nyina ni o enna etitu esika prominent person na na o ni petitru be ne ba ho star papa be ne ba ho celebrity be papa be ne ba ho irrelevant people anymore na me ka so omo ko share ma me no airport first time no buy no kra no no omo do so kai Ghpagetv is way pan into na mahamoi. Na me nua na ye na me ye na munya me na minkosu enie akoy. Former MP, current MP Beneba, Hobson onye MP da, or your politicians boy won't call parliament da. Current MP, former MP, one about okay. Oh baby, na say abusuafo so called new abusuapani won cry ene o mia na ne nko china won fa lumba fi o no nko say o ko hwe lumba funi ne mbete pana asiafo why homeless adoye bema oba ware na editi ni fie masa wotu wiri fie dia wo yire na ware na den otu ukunu fie bema na ware wa betina ni fie oba no susu na akotwi ni spade dem ama wo dan a wa ware na wo bema ya ware uti fie okay no police because they went to bribe them. But why are we struggling when the courts will open on Monday? Although we chose not to do gidi because ochina echi eye jwada And you and I know that contempt of court, any me na metro. The way they insulted his wife. That's what Jimmy. That's all. Jimmy for. On who are Jimmy for? What do trauma kwasias until I don't give a fuck who insulted the wife. Yes. I would do trauma kwasias. Just fold your arms and watch the day called Monday. What if they leave on Sunday? Good. Your friend BB bench warrants. Send you good news. Some Sunday no mu dane dia. Oba da ba be pere Ghpagetv. And they say your good news. Red carpet. Send anyone dane for life. Send is a good news. No more call me the papa she be kwana. Omo de ya poku be kwana. Because ntomano na di agum. Abusuapanin ya na hwene se double dove sanson fridge. Omo de ne be kwana. Omo de Florence obi ni be kwana. Omo de Osibo be kwana. Omo de Kofinti kwana. See a two for no here. Contempt of court, you either face it, say the judgment in absentia. Contempt in your committee, a good work, rabbit nas a defender because Udrania, there be more judgment in absentia. Near the arrest warrant at so. The free dwada and sorry or mube femuno. A free dwada and sorry our wangas on be femuno. And Omobusam say, sign past 17 words, was it worth the whole thing? Won't call court my contempt and chill with that. Owaka said, "You bet your contempt." Said you to me many parts yes she will be as it. Many UTV focus nanki de me kwa akotu no. Ye kotena TV so. Ekoye discussion. Yeah, it's not TV so ni na ye che contempt. Nipa wa mo kakra no. Oboka be 100,000. Despite the apart from me. They want more kakra no boka 100,000. Na me kwa dem bo ka ni we kwa yesi. I want myself contempt. And a ma ye ka say yem fami nkotum 10 days no. Am panyufo bi be mu no. Some penny for the baby can be mammy no. Me bought over 300,000 over that case. 300,000 current Ghana cedis. Tetiska mo can say. Tetiska say 3 million, say 3 billion. Me name say the mobile tetiska. I am telling you. BBNC no court no fine here. One unit point. Unit points no. Your cabo no be at 65,000. 65,000. 650 million. One person. And a court in a free and contempt. E bin chewa. Obaka say ya bro. For me say me de me ho. Me de me ho example. Court no kwa ye fine nipa ba ko bia 650 million, 65,000. Hey, balance you did not pay. Well, you are learning stupid things. Go to the court and listen. Then you are learning very stupid things. Obi anyone, including Anama Brown. Obi anyone, your man, you pay free court them without paying that money. You find your court, won't you? I will call someone. Obi anyone, your man walking out of the room without paying that money. So now, because I can't court on with their ground. Who Roman I will say yes. Obi anyone pay free them. In fact, Nipa 5, I quite remember. Say this sika. I said, Father Small will be forgotten. Father Small will be your bank. Will be the sika the moto and the baby. Ah. They don't know what they've done. And I don't need anybody to come and say, Ghana, the Emranya, Wadaroma. That's contempt of God. And it's not a joke. To the court, Judge Shemra, I have found one judge and Emra. Messi Afia, and then penny fu be near him for nebe moi, and Kayadimi to move 10 days. 10 days, a cabin benechino. Semantia. And Kayajeli be 10 fucking days. 10 fucking days. Ten fucking days. What one kind of? Also, then queen make money available for your uncle Yapuku. Oh, Beko. Now, Mammy can't send chow. Mammy can't make case in chow. Mammy can't be in chow. Mimi Diano. The first judgment, your finding will be a me. Judge in a say. Your finding will be a me. Judge in a say. Me. Your finding me and your punishment. Into Obama Kujil. That was how Mimi Kabedoso. Your finding will be the judge made it point blank. Said me, if they find me, it's not gonna be enough punishment for me. So, omo de me betum. And then I mean the bear man get me called two. Yeah, they me called two. I learned my lessons on my sick bed, no my operation. And temperature, and yes, a contempt, ukodu near final. Judge, I need 2 more day, or the over. And contempt of court, you can be jailed from 6 months to 2 years. Contempt of court, you can be jailed from between 6 months to 2 years. My mom was education, now when the drama starts unfolding, nobody should come and say, Ghana, Mranya Juma, and Mranya Juma pa, Edi Wusu Abetu Sulia. I'm telling you people. When him try. And nobody is going to waste their God-given energy on a crime that's already been committed, and to man no more Friday DLD room say also ODL and as a crime. And you know, you're right, me go to the Mississippi. And you mean to me what party into me call my papa until let's wait for Monday. They were selling the clothes. Oh, when Kasa. Menya pam no soup to do. Oh, you know what, boy? I think my bedroom. Menya. Menya quite no. I think my bedroom. I think my bedroom. A quite ten. Ghana Biane kakra medi. I think my bedroom. My breath is so free. Name to it. My betting, my breath so free. I think my bedroom. I think my bedroom. My no broofing. Hey. My brand, I said the good news is my husband is here, so I don't have to cook and go there. Your party be if I can go. And I'll go and spend the weekend with him and come back home. Come back. I background picture they say my profile picture. The mother by Jimmy say my new profile picture new. And I'm not sure God will do it. Forget the department. Oh, Baba Dias, and I never ask him. Nobody has him. I see one on quite science laboratory. Now anybody I am Mr. What you say? Madam Fakatani no fool say AI, and that kills me. Madam for Jamaican, you know, or can say AI. I bought you the dome. Make her go, Madam Vono. I say, but why would you do that to the woman? Say, forget about the event center. Event center now, we see when about yourself, forget it. This is not AI. I'm so tired. I got that for no budget. Or say AI. Na me AI no go many music. Sir, about dream departmental building. Tuesday. Me who no. Say me who na measure that frame. Or no fool say AI. Are they acquainted today? Please pick me, order. Mr. My brother, young Casano. Maybe call off live. Nah. Maybe no. Hey, the papa I'm Akosua. La brecha babonye isi. Usu be di Ghana aduane de ababra wunyem pa. So pretty kind of journey. But when my code like I'm sorted for good. I'm sorted for at least a month. Crowd 3 weeks. So. Need for food there. They won't need for me when we need a bank coin. Miss me woman, me abe, and my Tommy Benku. Benku dear great too. Benku dear. Benku is the greatest of all time. Benku dear, you good or you know what? Say my Jimmy Benku. Me told Benku Makumaku 20. And on the best, I didn't make child say. Because me, you know, sometimes I become so tired that I don't have appetite. Ebasa, me hiti Benku no. Na me di beer esin chain. Me obi a me ni appetite kwa me didi me brands and me didi na to appetite no na ma sa appetite ne masa me hiti Benku na me ti Benku na ma mene te se aduro no me Benku no foye nka obi anka me ti Benku na ma mene te me ti Benku na me mfa bibi anka o me hiti Benku no kwa na bi esinchen me ti ana ma mene me ti ana ma mene eda mini appetite no me mene Benku te se de me ka o me ti se de ya duro ti me ti no se de me ma me mene me kakra kogu me yam a eya aduane it will sustain me ti Benku de ti na me kan Benku de we great, the greatest of all time eya Benku oni uramo Maya sheto Benku ne sheto, you are good to go. Benku ne sheto ne corn beef wafem. Benku ne sheto ne mackerel wafem. Benku ne sheto ne sardine wafem. Benku ne abenkwan ye tawe wafem. Midi abenkwan ne ebra ne matwetwa nkuruma egu abenkwan ni Benku ne de mafem. Me kone ne yi Benku ne biye mafem. Benku is the greatest of all time. Benku ba ansa na mo aba. Sa Benku. Ya kasa oye Benku a. Na chasa wo sombo ade ni Benku. To make a magic 20. Me dia besu akasish. Me Benku. We ya minimo kasa ya ma brain. Amitie me ya ma no madrei. Mo fo sade na me ba be ye. Me bedi Benku ni biye. Kofa Benku no me hiti. Me tenam di biye na boso no ma mene, me tenam abone, ma tenam ma mene. Yes. E ka duro na manum na ho a. Me de nyane na me. Na mo hu me ho. Me hu odin sa daga ti ni ba. Eye Benku na. We amanya nom Advel mi enu. Abo Advel. E ko my boyfriend ni no Advel. Manum Advel extra strength mi enu. Me ko hiti Benku no na me dia because me ti me nyam kwai. Benku ne sheto no so nyama kono me kon don enam. Me kon no re. But if the Benku enters my stomach, and the Benku is the greatest of all time, Benku is good. Me de nyane na yare no ko. I mean sama waduro ba ko. Se wo pie na ko bro pa na wunya hangover. Wunya hangover eduro mienu ba ko ne se enfante dokono o blendia. Unfa sichire nka unfa bibia nka no aso ohwene no wanom. O fe kra dokono ne bi be ka oyem. Na se wutimi na de wuntimi mfa bia ne memene Benku afensuo si unchei. Oti Benku na no amene na odi nsuo piano. Menua. Benku ni kodi uyem abeda. Oda 2 hours unya ne Benku the greatest. Ono wafa ho. So Me say that me say yes. If you didn't call on with 5 fishes and 5 loaves, na me say munyai. And your 5 loaves, benku. Easy. I don't drink coffee. I am not a coffee person. Caffeine makes me so hyper. Like Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola can work me out. You might think, say, my real whiskey be a boaloke. And then coffee, the air off. When I drink coffee, I become extremely hyper and I don't sleep. All I need is a cup of coffee. Say maybe I can stay awake for 2 days, not sleeping, and it makes me tired too. You are like my husband. Miko, when he wakes up in the morning, now on no coffee, on pau grokra. Miko, so then I know on no coffee. He doesn't even want to do anything. Me, on the other hand, no. It's either menum cook and I'm menum. I'm not a breakfast person, to be honest. I really envy people that, you know, to say Jimmy, they will have their cereals and their cornflakes. I've bad anxiety attacks. Me too. I don't get panic attacks. Yabia, I don't get panic attacks, but I get anxiety attacks from coffee. The caffeine is just, it gives me anxiety attacks. And no dear. And I'm restless. And then also because when I drink coffee, all I need is a cup of coffee in the morning. And I don't sleep till like tomorrow evening. Until now, mama, yeah. Nama be ha ha ha. I don't know the right word for it. Restless. That's the word, restless. But be ha ha ha. When somebody proves you coffee dear. Recently I went out with Madame Free Aaron. And he was like, oh, let's have decaffeinated coffee. That would be different. Blah blah blah. And I had a decaffeinated coffee. One. I was hyper like said the Mario whiskey, and then when I got home, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't. 2 days now and I may company him. It's not good for my system at all. Coffee, whatever flavor, forget it. And mommy. And then also until say caffeine in a free my system, you know. Won't say me BP consor. Well, anytime I check my BP will be so high. So, media, I am not or more coffee now. However, me couldn't dear. He can't function without coffee. Open the coffee, light and sweet. I want my coffee light and sweet. He can't function without coffee. But, and to me, I'm a tea girl. I love flavored teas. I love tea. Sometimes I drink teas in the afternoon. I'm a tea girl. I love the flavored teas and yeah. Me a lactose intolerance also, so yeah, my tea is black, no sugar, no milk, and you know, it soothes you. It soothes you, it calms you, and all that. Anyway. Correct, me couldn't remember. May a sandwich, man. And then you need sandwich, oh, blessed. When you have my dear age. Oh, no, the nice formula. As soon as the feet touches the ground, bam. He's going for his coffee. And he loves the black bean coffee. Sometimes when it's cooking, it smells so tempting, but Debbie. Fennel tea. I mean, for me, especially if I eat heavily, if I eat and I really want my food to digest, I just go in for tea because it will settle me. Me call Italy, Italians, when they finish eating, they drink the strong tequila in a belief that like it helps with digestion and all that. And with me, I think my digestion is tea. Just a very nice flavored fennel seeds tea after meals. Maybe I'm me know kind of me check it. Me na Amazon sisi I may check it because after a good meal, tea is good. Coffee there, caffeine there. Na makuma subo gigi me no coffee. Makuma. Obaka so bi abefa ko baby. Me tisa makuma literally. What's makuma ka. Oh, what day. Fennel. Let me go in the comments. Yeah, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds in tree is nketse. Hey! And then they must say they have for fennel seeds. Now, Saturday and Kabia climate to me, helps treat heartburn and indigestion, which is one of my major reasons why I drink the tea to get rid of heartburns. It's good for hair. Me pacha no me the best time it and I suggest as I'm consuming it is good for my hair. Anyway, that's what I drink. I drink robust tea. That's what I drink. Yeah, and come a consuate your father 2 months and mako. Fatu mama na men sorry go.
What's good, sis?
Ade, my love.
I'm good, babe. I was trying to tell you, fennel seed. No, you can mix it with your oil, cook
Okay.
it, and take it out. It's very good for your hair. It's very good for your hair. It's good for a lot of. It's even good for heartburn. But now, so when your heartburn, how you lick your finger of sugar with cold ice, not jive instantly. If you're having very bad heartburn,
You like what?
sugar,
Sugar.
yes. Ubanja sugar, say now then you drink the cold water right away. It drops the heartburn right away, right instantly.
Thank you very much.
And I
Thank
wow,
you. Like
because me, I
sugar.
have a very bad anxiety, and I don't know make
Huh?
a no. So I have learned all of that. And lately, the only thing that works for me, I know a lot of people are gonna judge me, and I don't give a damn. One indica, I take one indica gummy a night, or me take a
What is
hybrid.
indica?
Oh, sis, you should know now. Is me come with your life no.
Oh.
One
Oh.
you know it now. One with indica, when you're
Gummies.
indica or
Yeah.
sativia, the only indica works for me at night. It drops the heartburn. It drops the palpitation. It relaxes you. Ha, me that's me sorry.
I mean, no.
I don't feel anxiety. Start from today. Will you there? We'll talk back door. Don't let me say much for you here. I'll
Yeah,
tell you.
like DM me, I WhatsApp
Let me
you.
DM. Unim said we met one time at 34th Street. I don't know if you remember in New York. You remember, but now I don't live in New York.
What street in the
34th Street, and it's not far from Times Square or Manhattan, New York.
I have a friend who is like a brother. I have a brother who lives there, Aaron.
Is it the one I saw you walking with? You were walking with a guy
Very
and a
handsome.
girl, very handsome, and then we
Oh no,
took a
Aaron,
picture with
Aaron.
you.
Oh no, no.
Ah, that should be
When you
him.
go to my Instagram, it's all over. Oh no, Aaron.
Yeah,
Aaron, Ote. And what did you say? He lives at the
which
yeah,
one? Times Square. And I would. Okay.
Also,
That's around 55th and Fifth
Hudson.
Avenue.
Yeah. He lives exactly on the Hudson River.
Oh, Hudson River, right next to New
Yeah.
Jersey and the water. Okay.
The baby I World Trade Center no. But I mean, if you see me there, everyone is the reason why.
Yeah, you were walking there with him and one lady, and we took a picture with you.
Oh, na Genebasa. Where make us a when me wait.
Oh, there in the my inbox was yeah.
Me saw DM me
You
why.
see, me send you hybrid ni in the canon. Sis, we become best friends from there. I'm telling you, you're gonna, Missy, you're gonna forget everything. Amu yo madiana. Magnesium is very good as well for you. Magnesium every day. Every day, take a
Magnesium.
magnesium. Every
Okay.
single day. Ana ashwanga. Ashwanga and magnesium helps you to sleep a lot. Magnesium
Because
is very good for women. I don't know why African women don't take magnesium. One with magnesium, vitamin D. You sleep.
me,
You sleep.
I do take vitamin D
It's
as
very
well.
good for
Also,
you.
just also because of I try to suppress my cholesterol.
Cholesterol. Okay. So change
Yeah.
your oil. Change the oil you cook with. Change
Maybe
your oil.
I cook with extra virgin.
You know, that's good.
Extra
That's
virgin. Even
very
whilst I
good.
was in Ghana, I do extra virgin. And I mean, I'm not a butter girl. I don't eat
I don't
butter.
like butter.
A bit of mayonnaise here and there. Me ankasa menu munya mi do. Me pega na
Mm.
diane no me pebe nkunene.
Yeah, me so if it is not benku, me pay fufu. I don't know how people eat that.
Me me
Me
just go
benku pani
para.
me okra soup says Jai.
Yeah, Didio. Avocado oil is very good,
Avocado
but I
is the
don't
best.
like the
She
taste.
doesn't like the taste and the smell.
Avocado oil, coconut oil say very healthy. What did one day every to me?
Me see I taste it say Ghana watching now mo no be coconut
I
oil no
say
shino.
enuna. You know, say me was coconut oil. Na no
Mm.
dey know where the was them.
Yeah, I feel and a kernel oil. To say
Yeah,
one abeno kernel oil is very
yeah.
good as
I
well.
drink one.
I drink more. You know, it melts faster than what's the other name of oil? Sunflower. Kumugana for
A
sunflower,
vegetable oil.
grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, canola.
It's not
Stop doing
healthy.
that. It's not healthy. It
It's
doesn't
not
matter what
healthy.
age you are. It will kill you. So stop eating it, Ghanaians.
It's not healthy.
Ubetimi ato bag $5,000. Ubetimi ato kernel oil or all of this oil and save your life. Every day I tell Ghanaians, eat the right food and you're gonna
They
feel
don't.
good.
They don't. They will drink coke and eat bread.
And they think that means you're rich. Mm, Even rich people
Although,
there. I'll
thank you
send it
for
to
your
you right
time.
now.
Why?
I mean
Okay,
DM me.
that must say DM me my number. Me phone my number. Why?
Okay, sis.
All right. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm too tired. Why? Mama, bye.